Hey guys, it's Jessica Pettway and I'm here with IPSY and Ulta Beauty, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my metallic / glitter eye. It's super fun, especially for girls like me who just obviously we like to have a good time. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is apply my base, which is going to help my shadow stand out. I'm using this one by MAC. And I'm one of those girls, if I could use my finger as a brush, I prefer my finger. It's just super easy to do. Okay, so now that our base is on, first thing I want to do is I want to go in with my crease shade. So I'm going in with this palette right here. This one is by Revolution Makeup, and I'm going to dip it into this shade right here. And I go in with the blending brush, start off in the corner, and work it into the crease, just going back and forth. And if you're a girl who's really like not that good at eyeshadow, this is perfect for you. This look is going to be so simple, you guys. And if you ever feel like it's a little bit too harsh, you can always go in with a shade a little bit lighter. See this orange shade right here? It'll blend perfectly with this brown, and just add it on top. It'll kind of tone it down so it's not too dark. Literally, it's that simple. Okay, so the next step that I'm gonna do, it's the fun step. So we're gonna add our metallic, and this one is by MAC. This shade is called I Like to Watch. It's a dual chrome metallic eyeshadow, right? So I do exactly like this. I love this, especially like the green and blue reflexes that it has in it. You can also kind of like lightly swipe it. And don't worry if you get a little bit of fallout. It happens to the best of us. I'm gonna go in with this palette right here. This is the Model's Own Glitter Mix palette. And literally, I'm gonna go in with this super gorgeous yellow gold shade. Now glitter can be a little scary. I'm gonna show you how I like to do it when I don't wanna get a lot of glitter and fallout all over my face. I put my finger in here and lightly tap. So you just wanna build on that. So tap it, shake your finger, use your finger as if it's a brush, and just like pat it onto the palette, and then take it and lightly pat it in. So we're just going to press. We're gonna build on it. Like, you don't wanna go all in with it, because then glitter will it'll just be a mess. You'll look like an arts and craft project, and we don't wanna look like that. So you just take your finger and press it. Look how fun that is. Like, I am ready for a party. Well, we're gonna go in with mascara. First thing I like to do is go in with a mascara base. This just helps amplify your lashes, make them look more alive, make them look more longer and more voluminous. This one is by L'Oreal. It's their eyelash primer, and I go in, put this on as a base. And for girls like me who have super short, sparse lashes, this is like a dream. So I kind of let that dry. What I do is I just take my hand, kind of fan it, let it dry, and then I go in with my favorite mascara, literally like my favorite mascara ever. It's Too Faced They're Better Than Sex mascara, and it is amazing. And then the tip of your wand holds the most product, so that's what you do towards the end, really coat those lashes. Like, literally, where did these lashes come from? It's like magic. I am then going to line my waterline. So I'm going to take this eyeliner by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to line my bottom lash line. Okay, so next step, I'm going to go back into that palette that I initially used for like my crease color. I'm gonna do a little bit of smudging, and I love doing this step. It just kind of makes it look a little bit more edgy. So I go in with this shade right here. I think I'm gonna go back into that brown shade, because I think that was a really good shade. And just smudge out that bottom lash line. Super cute. So once that's complete, I'm gonna go back into the L'Oreal eyelash primer just to coat my bottom lashes, because they need some love too. So I'm gonna apply it. Look at the transformation already. I didn't even apply mascara yet, but look how much lash I actually have. You would never know that. Okay, so once that's applied, I go back into the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and coat those bottom lashes, but be very careful because the bristles or the brushes on this are super thick, so you don't want to get mascara on your face. See how cute this looks? All right, but we're not done because we need to do our lips. And I'm so excited about this lip color because if you can't tell already, I'm a little extra. This one is so gorgeous. It's this dual chrome lip gloss by MAC, and oh my God, just watch when I apply it, you guys. I can't even. It's so pretty. We're getting like those green reflexes, and then there's like some orange in there. There's so much going on, and I live for it all. Look, I am absolutely in love with this look. It's fun, it's edgy. I could go literally anywhere. I would go anywhere in this look. But that's just me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stick around and watch some more. Bye.